First of all, we will show you how to sell your KOM from checks and withdraw it to your Binance account. 1. For this video, we'll be using MaxC for the exchange. Search for KOM. 2. Choose Sell, then enter the amount of KOM that you wish to sell. 3. Click on Sell KOM. 4. Go to Wallet, then click on Withdraw and choose USDT. 5. Open your Binance. 6. Go to Wallet, then click on Deposit and choose USDT. 7. Choose BP20 or BSC network. 8. Copy the wallet address, then go back to MaxC. 9. Paste in the address that you copy and select the network. Make sure to choose BP20 or BSC network. 10. Enter the amount of USDT, then click Confirm. 11. You have to do a verification to confirm your withdrawal. Click Get Code on both email and SMS code. Check your email and SMS inbox to see the verification code. 12. The transaction will take a few minutes. Please wait patiently. 13. Once the transaction completed, check your Binance account if the transaction succeed or not. Now we will show you how to sell your KOM from DEX. We'll be using QuickSwap as an example. 1. Go to quickswap.exchange. 2. Click on Swap. 3. Change the swap from KOM to USDT, then enter the amount. 4. Click on Approve KOM. 5. Click on Swap. 6. Open your MetaMask wallet, then click on your USDT. 7. Click on Send. 8. Paste in your Binance wallet address from earlier, then enter the amount of USDT. 9. Click on Confirm. 10. Go back to Binance and check if the transaction succeed or not. Now we will show you how to withdraw your USDT to fiat money or currency. 1. On your Binance wallet, go to Spot tab, then click on Transfer. 2. Transfer from Spot wallet to Funding and enter the amount of USDT. 3. On the Funding tab, click on P2P. 4. Choose Sell. 5. Enter the quantity. 6. Select a payment method. For this video, we'll use Indonesia bank account, BCA bank account. 7. Click on Sell with zero fee. 8. Please wait until the buyer's payment. 9. Check your bank account. If you already received your payment, click on Payment Received. 10. Complete the verification. You'll receive a 6-digit code on your SMS inbox. 11. Successfully withdraw your USDT to fiat currency. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notification. Leave a like, share, and comment what tutorial should we do next.